Hello and welcome. In this video, we will discuss comments of Python. How do we write comments within Python code, and why do we use comments after all? First of all, we use comments so that the code can be understood by other users, or maybe even yourself. If you are running your code scripts, your scripts, Python scripts after a long time, you may not know what you wrote after 2 years earlier, or 2 weeks ago, or even 1 day ago. Some persons can do that, obviously. So how do we write comments? And as I said, we use comments so that you or the other user who reads the code can understand what you have written. So why do we write comments has been discussed. How do we do that? So this is a basic Python code, and let's run it so that you can understand that this code runs and there is no hiccup. Okay, good. So let's just write comment. To write comments, the basic syntax is that you type the pound section or the number section, the pound symbol or the number symbol, and then you can write anything over here. Any symbol, anything capitalized, lower capitalized, under capitalized, anything can be written over here, and that can be represented as a comment. And when you run this code, the comment will be ignored by the Python interpreter and will not be displayed onto the screen and will not cause any errors. This comment is just to present a representation of your code to the person who reads the code after a while, or has been within your community or within your department. Okay, so how do we do that within next to the code as well, because this is a Python code and will have to be interpreted by the interpreter. How do we write comments now? If we want to tell about the first gene length, how do we say it? We just write the number symbol, then we can this is the first variable, and we can do this to other variables as well. First, second, and we can do this. This is the third variable. Let's run the code now. If it causes any problem to our code, no, it does not, because after when the Python interpreter understands that there is a number symbol, the pound symbol within this code, it will ignore whatever is written after this symbol. It will ignore everything, and this is just to present the representation of your code to the reader. Okay, we have done that too. Now we can write over here as well. Make sure